Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, technically the pound yen is still in a downtrend because it really has not been able to break structure yet. But because of other yen pairs and especially because of the JPY basket, I do think that it is very likely going to break structure, and I do think it's very likely going to make its way up to about the 78% to make what I think is a 335 pattern for the wave B. So most likely a wave A, wave B, and then eventually down again for a wave C. So keep that in mind because that's extremely important as you go down to the shorter time frames. Because this is definitely 5 waves down on the shorter time frames. It's likely a wave A. I think this could be actually going down shorter term for like a wave C. Now, I'm not really recommending shorts, even though I think this is a very likely scenario before it actually does continue the uptrend. Because even though you would expect to see a 535 pattern like this, when you potentially have a turn on the higher time frames, it could literally just be one, two, 3 ways down. It could just bounce off one of these Fibonacci levels, and it could just end up continuing the uptrend at any time. So for me personally, I'm definitely recommending longs at every single pullback you see, because those are definitely the higher probability of being a profitable trade. Even though the trend is technically down on the higher time frames, the fact that it did try to break structure, the fact that JPY looks like it's going down, the basket, I think we need to be looking for longs in an uptrend on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.